friends, I'm back to you with the lemon. So when life gives you lemon, paint it. 300 grams paper, very solid, and it has the texture as if it's a canvas. Very beautiful for aquarelle. It does all the job. You just need to be there and apply the color. The paper will do the rest. Here I make the shape of a lemon, basic round with a little bit of an imperfection here and there. And we have to understand the simple thing about painting the object like, let's say, lemon, with the light source coming from here, is that this part will be light and this part will be dark. And for light color we take this lemonish yellow color that usually aquarelle sets have. No matter how much of this yellow color you take, it will be still lighter than, let's say, the bluish grayish color that we will mix in here, because the quality of yellow color is basically light. So there it is, the lemon, cadmium lemon, it's called, the color. I leave the white spaces where the light hits the most. Here, light, light. And for dark, I take again the same color and I mix it with something greenish, with something bluish. The closer to the bottom, the darker. So I will add just a little bit of more blues here. Here. And I always recommend to put a shadow under the object, because then it's not floating in the air, but then we can feel the gravity that it stands on the ground, on the piece of paper here. And you see, you did like too dark, you can wash it a little bit. And then we can retouch it a little to add a bit more yellowish yellow. Just retouching and making this border between dark and lemonish yellow. I kind of make it less sharp. Here. Oh look, the lemon is rotten. Here. Like this.